Welcome back friends, like, subscribe here. And that tutorial I would apply that beautiful and an awesome and captivating border options on the pictures. First of all, I have to choose that one color for the outer side border, and now I would apply that beautiful brushes on our pictures. So guys, I have to apply that one brushes on it. So on that side it have been applied, and now on the next side I would guys apply another brushes. Like here. So friends, these have been put on the that side, and now on that side I'm going to apply these ones. And guys,